Hello guys, welcome for my new video. I am here in Amore Wellness Restaurant and I am in Palina, Pugula, Union, El Pueblo. Here, it is beautiful, see? If you want, I gonna say Ilocano. Sa lahat po ng gustong kumain, meron pong tanghalian dito. Pwede rin kayong panghagaan. At saka pwede kayong umorder dito ng Monday to Saturday. At meron na rin ang bago natin dito. Sukang Iloko na manghang at saka ang boneless bangus na bagoong. Doon naman may mga wine. At saka meron rin potato chips. May original at saka may honey cheese. So that's for today's video. Goodbye!